Hello, my name's Callum, and I am going to be showing you how I can solve the Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Okay, so first, grab my Rubik's Cube, got my blindfold, and I'm going to get a scramble, which is randomly generated. I'm going to use one from my phone. I'm just going to reset it. Now, completely brand new scramble, and I'm going to manipulate this cube to match this scramble, and then I'm going to solve it with the timer, which is in this corner. Okay, so push up and go. And that's a blindfolded solve. I'm now going to do a regular solve, just to show you my speed. And there we go.
If you like this video, why not share it or like it? It's not a big challenge, is it? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking just here and enjoy more videos by clicking just there. Easy than coming here to our studio, isn't it?